With more Jamaicans getting into the Airbnb business, the debate continues about regulating the industry. The Realtors Association of Jamaica weighed in on the issue this morning on TVJ's Smile Jamaica.
To regulate or not to regulate, that has been the question relating to the booming worldwide Airbnb business. The American company last month won a major victory in the courts. The European Court of Justice ruled that Airbnb cannot be treated as a real estate agency by European regulators. This after the Association for Professional Accommodation and Tourism in France took Airbnb to court, arguing that it should face the same regulations and obligations as traditional real estate providers. Reports suggest that the company has been facing increased regulation from lawmakers around the world who say short-term renters disrupt the local economy by driving up rent and pricing out long-term residents. Hoteliers in Jamaica also say that it's hurting their business.
What I don't appreciate is when you have persons who are renting their rooms for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a night. I can tell you which ones they are. And then they say, no, we're a little small hustle.
According to the Airbnb website, there are more than 3,000 hosts in Jamaica. In 2020, that number is expected to increase. Roger Allen is the second vice president of the Realtors Association of Jamaica.
There's high demand for what we call residential investment properties. A number of the persons, it's not necessarily for their own occupancy. So it is actually there in terms of the demand for it.
His view on regulations:
management doesn't necessarily mean regulation. Like anything else, you need to review, you need to assess what is happening, and of course take the necessary steps.
In the British Virgin Islands, property owners are now required to pay a hotel accommodation tax. That took effect last year, May. It's the direction hoteliers in Jamaica argue the country should go, given the revenues earned from Airbnbs. In 2017, that figure stood at $2.4 million.
One of the things we have observed is that short-term rentals has really, Airbnb primarily, has really opened up Jamaica. It has really taken locals and also foreigners off the beaten path. So you look at it and you don't want to give up the golden egg you're getting a day. And this is why when we look at it, we said, let us put everything on the table.
Right.
And like anything else, careful here, management doesn't mean micromanaging or over-regulation.